How to buy Sphere token. So this token came under the symbol of XP. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So if you go to L Bank account on X, you will be able to see this post, as you can see. So XP will be listed on L Bank, as you can see. If you can see this image, you will be able to see this token will be listed on March 17th on 9 a.m. UTC on L Bank. So in that date, to be able to buy this token, I will show you how to do that. Now go to your accounts on L Bank, as you can see, but make sure to fund it with some USDT. Now after that, as you can see, I will be able to give you an example. For example, I will if you want to buy this token, for example the PayPay, I will use the PayPay as an example. So pretend that this is the XP token. So after that, now click on buy, select the limits, and here you can type how much you want to buy of that token, as you can see, and here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT and click on buy. So if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, and click on buy XP. So this is how to buy XP token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.